752 is in a layout D title block. I've increased your spacing to 1.5 inches. So remember, when you do your formula, put 1.5 in the formula. When you do your offsets for your spacing, it's going to be 1.5 instead of 1 inch. We've moved the front view of this part. This is the front. That means this side is the right side. Pay attention to the measurements. Some of them may be a little hard to read. This is 15/16. This is 1 13/16. This is 13/32. This says 13/16. Your 1 1/4 is to the center of this notch, not to the edge. So make sure you get that placed correctly. You have a hole that is 1 1/8 drilled completely through the part. It's drilled through a 13/16 notch on the bottom. So you have to think about what's going to happen when you do that. So let's look at the part itself. Here's your part. We have the top, the front, and the right side. So when you're looking at this, there's the hole in the top. It's going to cut through the notch on the bottom. Notice that the hole is wider than the notch, so it actually cuts away the sides. So you're going to have to show me what this looks like on the right side view. So when I'm looking at this right side, you see the notch, but you see how it's cut away because of that hole. Well, you still have to show me that the hole goes all the way through, but then you're going to have object lines here and here because of that piece being cut away. So what you're going to do on your top view, when you draw this, that notch underneath is going to be hidden. So you're going to project the outside edge of the hole and pull that over and down to the right side view. And you're also going to project where the hidden lines touch the edge of that circle and pull that over and down. And that's going to give you that piece and that piece. So pay attention to all the measurements, especially this 3/8 here. That's the 3/8 here. So pay attention, use your dimensions to make sure everything is correct. This is a layout D, top, front, right side.